Hello friends, welcome to HP Patent Academy. In this particular lecture, we will discuss about the differential equation of first order. So the differential equation of first order has been classified under two heads. So the first one is equation of first order and first degree. यहाँ पे order 1 है और degree भी 1 है. Okay. And secondly, we have the equation of first order but not of first degree. यहाँ पे order 1 है but degree 1 नहीं है. Degree can be 2, 3, 4, etc. Okay. So we have but not equal to 1. Here degree is not equal to 1. But here we have the order is 1 as well as degree is 1. Okay, so under this we study these many types. Okay, so the first one is variable separable form, second one is homogeneous equation, third one is equation reducible to homogeneous form, and type 4 we have linear differential equation, and under this we study reducible to linear form. Type 5 we have Bernoulli's equation, type 6 we have exact differential equation. Okay, now under this head, that is equation of first order but not of first degree, we have these many types. So the first one is equation solvable for p. Okay, so for the ease of simplification, ease of calculation, we take dy upon dx as p. Okay, so type 1 is equation solvable for p, type 2 we have equation solvable for x, type 3 we have equation solvable for y, and type 4 we have Clairaut's equation or equation reducible to Clairaut's equation. Okay, so in the next lecture we will study this, start discussing these types. Okay, so in the next lecture we will discuss this variable separable form. Okay, thank you.